These ornaments are a fun way to recycle old Christmas cards. For this project, you will need Christmas cards or thin Christmas boxes, a round lid or cookie cutter, a pencil, scissors, small hole punch, yarn, a needle with a large eye, and a crow bead. Christmas cards are a natural choice for these ornaments, but I found these thin boxes at the dollar store and decided to use these instead, and I think they worked out great. So I cut open the box, and now I'm going to take a round lid and place it over the image where I want to cut it out. This would be easier with a cookie cutter or a transparent lid, but I'm going to do the best I can. Trace around the image and cut it out. The ornament is going to be double-sided, so you want to make another image for the back, and I'm going to trace around my first circle this time with the image facing down to make the back side of the ornament. Hold the two images together with the right sides out, making sure that the tops are aligned. It would be smart to use a little piece of double stick tape or a glue stick to hold them together. Now take a small hole punch and punch 2 holes at the top, leaving a space in the center at the very top of the circle. That will be where it will hang from. Now take the hole punch and punch holes about 1/4 inch apart all the way around. You can use a pencil to mark it if you're nervous about getting them even, but I'm just going to freehand it. Thread the needle with about 2 feet of yarn and send the needle through one of the top holes and leave a long tail. Then we're going to do a blanket stitch all the way around. So send the needle down through a hole and let it come up through the loop. This first stitch isn't going to look right when you do it, but we'll resolve that at the end. So just keep bringing your needle down through a hole, making sure that the yarn is behind it, and then send it up so that it goes through the loop of yarn. So you're creating a little stitch that runs along the top edge of that ornament all the way around. So down through a hole, let it come up through the loop, and pull it snug. Go all the way around the ornament till you get to the very last stitch. Make your last stitch and then pull the yarn snug. Now we're going to fix that first stitch that we started with. So take the opposite tail and grab the loop that is kind of behind the ornament and thread the tail through the loop so that it looks like the rest of the stitches. You can see that the back side looks just as good as the front. Tie the tails together in a knot at the top of the ornament and center the knot so that your ornament will hang straight. Trim off the longer of the 2 tails. Thread a crow bead on to both ends and press it up snug against the top of the ornament. Now tie a knot at the top, leaving a loop for hanging. Trim the ends, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday ideas and other crafts.